here we go. Book 4, Chapter 34. We're going to start with a lot of ablatives, so please pay attention. First, this is sort of telling us the circumstances. This is an ablative absolute. This is the means by which the ablative absolute happens. And this is ablative of time, when or within which. So listen up. Under which circumstances, with our men having been thrown into confusion by the newness of the fight, within this most opportune time, Caesar brought aid. For the enemies stopped at his arrival, our men recovered themselves from fear. Strike that. Our men retreated from fear. Recipio plus se retreat. With this having been done, he, having judged that it was a strange time for, I don't remember this vocab word, for provoking the enemy and committing to battle, continued himself in his own place. And within a brief intervening time, he led the legions into the camp. While these things are happening, with all our men occupied who were in the fields, the remaining men had departed. Storms followed during continuous very many days, storms which both would contain our men in camp and would prohibit the enemy from battle. Relative clause of characteristic. Meanwhile, the barbarians sent messengers into all parts, and they predicted to their own men the smallness or fewness of our soldiers, and they demonstrated that if they would have expelled the Romans from the camp, how much easiness would have been given for collecting booty and also for freeing themselves forever into perpetuity. They came to the camp quickly with a great multitude of foot soldiers and cavalrymen having been brought together by means of these things, by the stuff they said before.